Before you scroll past this, let me ask you something. When was the last time your grandmother sat by your bed, pressed a warm cloth on your forehead, and told you,
"You will feel better soon.
"Don't worry, baby, this will pass"? No pills, no pharmacy, no Google search at 3 a.m. Just her hands, her kitchen, and a secret she learned from her grandmother. Today, we're opening the door to 25 forgotten remedies that kept entire American families alive. And I'll show you exactly what replaced them in 2026. Some of it will shock you. Some of it will make you cry. Stay till the end. Because remedy number 14 is the one that changed how doctors treat pain forever. There was a time in America when the nearest doctor was 2 days away by horse. No pharmacies on every corner. No 24-hour clinics. No apps that diagnose you in seconds. Just a grandmother, a garden, and a kitchen full of secrets. She didn't have a medical degree, but she had something just as powerful. Generations of trial, error, love, and survival passed down through her hands. Today, we honor those hands. We honor those secrets. And we'll see just how far we've come. Because what took her hours, sometimes days, modern technology now does in minutes. Let's begin. 1. Onion in the sock. Grandma would slice a raw onion, place it inside your sock, and tuck you into bed to fight a fever overnight. Strange? Yes. But it came from love. She believed it drew the sickness out while you slept. Today, a simple digital thermometer and children's fever reducer bring a fever down safely within the hour. No onions required, but that same love is still there every time a parent checks on their child at night. 2. Honey and lemon for a sore throat. This one actually stuck around because it worked. Warm honey soothed the throat, and lemon's natural properties helped fight the irritation. Now, modern throat sprays and lozenges combine that same soothing effect with faster relief, coating your throat in seconds instead of sipping tea for 20 minutes. 3. Mustard plaster for chest colds. A warm mustard paste spread on a cloth, placed on the chest, believed to loosen congestion. Grandma swore by it every winter. Today, a warm mist humidifier and chest rub do the same job. Instantly, safely, and without the burning sensation Grandma quietly endured. 4. Cobwebs on cuts. Believe it or not, some old farm families used spider webs to stop bleeding from small cuts. The fine threads acted like a natural bandage. Now, we have sterile adhesive bandages that seal a wound in 2 seconds. Clean, safe, and painless. 5. Butter on burns. A common kitchen fix. Butter smeared straight onto a burn to cool the skin. Today, burn gels and cold compresses actually cool and protect the skin properly, preventing infection instead of trapping heat the way butter unfortunately did. 6. Oatmeal baths for itchy skin. Grandma would grind oats into the bath water to soothe rashes, eczema, and dry skin. A remedy so good, it's still recommended by dermatologists today. Now, we simply buy oatmeal-based lotions and bath soaks. The same comfort, ready in seconds, no grinding required. 7. Vinegar for bug bites. A dab of vinegar on a mosquito bite to stop the itch. A trick every farm kid knew by heart. Today, anti-itch creams work faster and last longer, giving instant relief that lasts through the whole afternoon outside. 8. Ginger tea for nausea. Boiled fresh ginger root, sipped slowly, was Grandma's answer to an upset stomach. And modern science actually backs this one up completely. Now, ginger chews and quick-dissolve tablets give the same relief in your pocket, ready anywhere, anytime. 9. Chicken soup for everything. The most iconic remedy in American history. Grandma believed it healed colds, sadness, heartbreak, everything. Today, we still make chicken soup. But now, an electric pressure cooker turns a 6-hour simmer into 20 minutes, so that same comfort reaches the table twice as fast. 10. Prunes for constipation, an old-fashioned fix that dietitians still recommend today because of its natural fiber. Now, fiber supplements and probiotics offer faster, more predictable relief, while prunes remain a snack, not just a cure. 11. Baking soda for heartburn. A pinch of baking soda in water, believed to calm the stomach instantly. Today, antacid tablets dissolve in seconds and last for hours. No chalky aftertaste required. 12. Hot water bottles for cramps. Every grandmother's bedroom had one, a rubber bottle filled with hot water pressed against aching muscles or cramps. Today, we have battery-powered heating pads that stay warm for hours without a single refill. Comfort that follows you anywhere in the house. 13. Epsom salt baths for sore muscles. After a long day of farm work, Grandma soaked in warm water with Epsom salt to ease her aching body. Now, we still use Epsom salt, but modern jetted tubs and massage devices add relief that reaches deep into the muscle in half the time. 14. Willow bark tea for pain. This one is remarkable. The bark of the willow tree contains the same compound found in modern aspirin. Grandma was using nature's version of a pain reliever long before science explained why it worked. Today, that same compound is refined into tablets that dissolve in your stomach within minutes. The same natural relief, engineered for speed and precision. 15. Warm compress for earaches. A cloth warmed by the stove, held gently against a child's ear until the pain eased. Now, over-the-counter eardrops and pediatrician telehealth visits solve the same problem in minutes, with an expert's guidance just a video call away. 16. Warm milk before bed. A gentle nightly ritual believed to bring peaceful sleep to restless children. Today, we understand exactly why it worked, and sleep-tracking apps and calming teas now help adults get that same peaceful rest, backed by real data about their sleep patterns. 17. Lavender under the pillow. Dried lavender flowers tucked beneath a child's pillow to calm nerves and ease them into sleep. Now, essential oil diffusers fill an entire room with that same calming scent. No flowers to dry, no waiting for them to bloom. 18. Rocking chairs for anxious babies. There was no substitute for a mother's rocking chair. Steady, rhythmic, endless patience. Today, smart baby swings recreate that same gentle motion automatically, giving tired parents a few precious minutes to rest too. 19. Sitting quietly in the garden. No pill, no tea, just fresh air and quiet time among the flowers, Grandma's own form of therapy. Now, we understand the science behind it, and mindfulness apps guide people through that same calm, anywhere, anytime they need it most. 20. Castor oil packs. A warm cloth soaked in castor oil, placed on the belly, believed to ease discomfort. Today, heating pads with adjustable settings offer the same soothing warmth, cleaner and more comfortable. 21. Raw garlic for immunity. Eaten daily through the winter, Grandma believed garlic kept the whole family from getting sick. Now, we know why. And immune support supplements deliver that same natural compound in a simple capsule, no strong breath included. 22. Apple cider vinegar tonics. A spoonful mixed with water each morning, believed to cleanse the body and boost energy. Today, that same tradition lives on in bottled tonics and gummies. Same ritual, same belief, just easier to take on a busy morning. 23. Sunlight as medicine. Grandma always said, "Go sit in the sun, it's good for you." And she was right, long before anyone understood vitamin D. Now, we simply take a vitamin D supplement on cloudy days, keeping that same benefit going all year round. 24. Herb gardens as the family pharmacy. Every home had one. Mint, chamomile, thyme. Grown specifically to treat whatever ailment came knocking. Today, we have pharmacies stocked with those exact same natural compounds, refined, tested, and ready within minutes. 25. A mother's hands. The final remedy isn't a plant or a potion. It was simply her presence, sitting beside you, holding your hand, telling you everything would be okay. And here's the beautiful truth. Nothing in 2026, no matter how advanced, has replaced that one. Video calls with family, telehealth check-ins, even smart home monitors that alert loved ones when we need them. All of it exists because we still crave that same thing Grandma gave us for free. Presence, care, love. Looking back at these 25 remedies, one thing becomes clear. Grandma wasn't just treating symptoms. She was showing love in the only language she had. Her hands, her time, her attention. We haven't lost that. We've just found faster, safer, gentler ways to give it. A heating pad instead of a hot water bottle. A telehealth call instead of a long wait. A supplement instead of a whole garden. The tools changed. The love behind them never did. Quick note before we go. These stories are shared for their history and heart, not as medical advice. If you're ever dealing with a real health concern, please talk to a licensed doctor. Grandma would want that too. She just wanted you safe. Now I want to know from you. Which one of these 25 remedies did your grandmother actually use on you? Type it in the comments below. I read every single one, and I might feature your story in our next video. If this video brought back a memory, do me a favor. Hit like, share it with someone who needs a little nostalgia today, and subscribe, because we bring these stories back every single week. Grandma's hands may be gone, but her wisdom, that's staying right here. See you in the next one.